Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the System Protection dialog because that is where Restore Points live. Once done, make sure you have administrator rights and at least one restore point listed. Click the System Restore button now. This launches the wizard that walks you through available points. You do this because Windows needs explicit confirmation to revert system files and settings. Without it, no changes occur. Proceed to pick a restore point and click Next to continue. Now you select the restore point that best predates the problem, because the goal is to return system files and settings to a known good state. Once you pick one, click Scan for affected programs to see what will be removed or recovered. This helps you anticipate app reinstalls. After reviewing, confirm the chosen point and click Next. Windows will prompt you to close apps and save work. Make sure to note any items listed as removed, so you can reinstall them afterward. Finish the process by closing your apps, saving files, and clicking Finish. This initiates the restore and forces a restart. Your PC will reboot and apply changes. Let it run uninterrupted because canceling can leave the system unstable. Once the restore finishes, Windows will log the result and restart again. If the restore fails or loops, boot into safe mode and run system restore from there. This bypasses drivers or services that may block the operation and often resolves failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.